What's going on, Chemical Guys family, and thanks so much for tuning in for today's episode of Detail Garage. Whether you're a novice and a newbie detailer or a full-blown professional, today we're going over 3 detailing storage options. To begin, we have the quick load carrying caddy. This is a great way to store your towels, products, tools, and anything else you need on the go for small jobs or just for your running back and forth from your detailing van. In here you can store lots of bottles. On the inside, it has a very durable construction that safely carries all of your products without tipping over where they could spill or get damaged. And then it also has these side pockets that you can use to store your towels or your brushes or anything else that you need on the go. Extra soft padded handle makes carrying easy. Use it when working on cars, in the garden, for cleaning the house. The quick load carrying caddy features 10 exterior pockets, 3 mesh, and 7 heavy duty. The quick load carrying caddy and storage organizer is the perfectly sized, ultra convenient, fully collapsible caddy to help you organize and store your bottles, brushes, towels, applicators, tools, supplies, and anything else you need on the go. So the quick load carrying caddy is easy to maneuver, it's lightweight, and also it can still store plenty of stuff, even though this is our smallest option. But if you have more supplies, or say you're going to a polishing job, we recommend using the Arsenal range bag. Now this big boy, she can carry a lot. Now the Arsenal range bag has many pockets, and it also has this very large zipper which opens up to reveal all of your detailing supplies. Securely fastened so that it's not spilling or tipping over as you're moving from job to job, but also you have a specialty pocket in the back which will hold your dual action or rotary polisher, keeping it safe away from all of your chemicals, your pads, and your tools, and keeping it in a safe, secure spot for your next detailing job. Now you also have these mesh pockets, which is great for spare pads and towels or your brushes and applicators and things you need to get readily. And on the other side you have an additional mesh pocket which you can use for storing additional products. The Arsenal range bag is not only great for carrying your polishing equipment such as your polisher, your pads, your chemicals, your towels, and any kind of accessories, but you can also use it for a great traveling carry-all. Use it to store your clothes, your shoes, and anything else you want to bring on your trip and have it in one safe, convenient place. And also it's got your favorite detailing brand repping it at all times. So use the durable construction of the Arsenal range bag to your benefit to store up to 75 pounds worth of product. Speaking of trunks, the largest of our organizers is the Ridealong trunk organizer. Now as you can see, this is massive, and this will carry all of your goodies and detailing accessories in your vehicle and keeps it in one secure place at all times. So you can use this to store gallons of product or your detailing products and anything else that you need to keep on the go. And it has these very large assortments here that you can use to store basically anything that you need in your vehicle. And then also on the edges here you see we have these mesh pockets which can be used to store your bottles or your towels or any kind of accessories like brushes and applicators. There are these secure zipping bags which can be used to store anything that's smaller, anything else that you want to keep inside a secure pocket so it's not rolling around in your trunk. This features the same non-slip pads as the Arsenal range bag to keep it from sliding around in your trunk, and this is going to prevent any kind of damage to your products and bottles which cause leaking or kind of cracking. And this is just a great way to store all of your detailing accessories when you're on the go. Now this is what the Ridealong looks like at full extension. But if you're not dedicating your entire trunk, or maybe you have a smaller vehicle and you want something more compact, you can also collapse the organizer by moving the dividers out of the way, and then it easily folds and attaches with these clasps like so. This way you can have a smaller organizer, but it's still sturdy and it's very rigid, so it's not going to lose any of your products, and it keeps it nice and safe in one convenient place. Now, just like the Arsenal range bag, the Ridealong has multi-uses, meaning that you can use it to not only store your detailing products, but also anything that's in your trunk, such as your clothes, your shoes, any kind of sports equipment. And you can divide it using these convenient dividers here, and it keeps it in one secure place. Rather than having it roll around in the trunk looking like a mess, you can easily clean up that junk in your trunk using the Ridealong. So guys, whether you're a novice detailer or a professional, this has been our top 3 choices to keep your detailing products in one convenient place and also keeps it safe and secure. So I know you guys are excited to get detailing, so be sure to check out these products on our website, chemicalguys.com, or at your local detail garage. If there's anything you guys want to talk about or any comments you may have, be sure to drop them down below in the comment section. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications to see when our next detailing video is coming out. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.